I return back! How to drink Inventory Protection Potion after become unusable. Inventory Protection Potion before 6.4 update! Inventory Protection Potion after 6.4 update! This glitch is insane! Enjoy PvP without losing everything!